Hello everybody, my name is Rajalakshmi. Before attending this workshop, I was just a regular person who used to always think that those who are rich people are really lucky or they're very super intelligent human beings. That's why they know how to become rich people. Normal people like me cannot really become super rich. And I always thought that, I need to really work hard in my life, sacrifice a lot of joyful things in my life for me to make money, enough money. And I was that regular person, who used to think I don't have enough money, and always I was worried and scared to spend money. And I'm a person from my childhood, might be because of a lot of situations. I used to complain about money. I don't have money for buying this, that, my parents are not providing me money. So many complaints and so many disturbed thoughts about money. And after attending this 7 days abundance workshop, I really now know that we're all born rich. I'm born rich, and everything that I want, be it money or prosperity, everything is available in the universe. All we need to do is to focus on how to get what is ours from universe. So this was taught by dear Manjula and Mohan, who are very experienced gurus, and they give us life scenarios from life to explain each and every concept, what we've done wrong in past experiences in our life, so we can immediately start or shift our focus from our negative habits while dealing with money or while dealing with life to positive habits. That's the best thing. So I'm very grateful to come across this course and be part of this course. This has totally changed my way of thinking about money and about life. Thank you very much, Manjula and Mohan. Bye.